Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today's recipe is so easy and quick with only 2 ingredients. Very tasty though. And before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. First, I've got 2 potatoes, and you can use the amount that you want, and 1 small onion. And I'm just gonna chop the onion, and we need it to be finely chopped. And now I'm just gonna chop the potato into relatively small cubes. I actually make this recipe on the days that I don't know what to cook, I don't know what to eat, I don't know what to do, I am bored, I don't want to do too much. So I cook this because it's pretty easy. Now let's just start cooking. I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. You can use butter, whatever you like. I'm just gonna add the onion and let it cook until it's like golden in color. Now I'm just gonna add the potato. And just stir it a bit. And I'm just gonna add a good amount of water. I mean, like not too much, but a good amount. And now cover it and let it cook. It's not done yet here, but just gonna add the spices that I want. A little bit of salt and a pinch of pepper. And actually that's it. You don't need more than that, but I actually like to add more, and this is a little bit of curry powder and a little bit of paprika as well. This is very optional, and actually those 2 ingredients don't exist in the original recipe, but this is something I like to do, and I just like it this way. Now add more water to it because we don't want to burn the pan. And put the lid on and let it cook again. Now it's done. It's like the potato is soft and cooked pretty well. And just let the water evaporate if there's any water. And transfer it to a serving dish. And at the end, I just garnish with some parsley or anything green that you have. And that's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon. Bye!